Getting our front porch ready to decorate looked a little bit different this year. And now that the hard stuff is all done, I'm really excited to show you how we styled our front porch for spring and summer. I love to hang ferns from our front porch. These Boston ferns really add a rich, beautiful green color that lasts well into the fall. We bought these from Home Depot and they were only $17. We wanted to change things up a bit, so Brad refinished this bench we picked up from Facebook Marketplace, and I painted this old stool that he had down in his shop. This indoor-outdoor rug we bought from Target fits perfectly on the porch. I was originally going to layer it with another rug, but it was just too busy, and we're really liking the simplicity of the soft neutral colors. While I was decorating the front porch, Brad was taking care of the front flower beds, so everything looked really welcoming when you come up to the house. We picked up this large planter of pansies from Costco this year, and then I just added a few interesting sticks to give it a little bit of height. I read that mint can ward off hornets and bees, so with Brad's allergies, we planted a few different varieties. When I was looking for plants at our local greenhouse, the lady said that houseplants work really well on a covered porch. So I paired the spearmint with this dragon tree that we can take inside in the fall. I love the look of old clay pots, so I bought a few of the lightweight plastic ones from the Dollar Tree, and I dry brushed them with chalk paint that we had. It was the first time I've ever done anything like this, and it was super easy. We picked up this kalanchoe, which is also another houseplant from Home Depot, and I love the vibrant flowers and the glossy leaves. I tucked a little spike behind it to give it a little bit more interest. Adding this little metal birdhouse really adds some interest without it being over the top. To make it easy to take care of plants, I added a white watering can that I picked up from Target last year. It's functional and adds a little character to the area. To add more color to the porch, we picked up a peppermint plant and a shamrock plant and placed it in front of the white bench. We were looking for a new mailbox and new house number plaque, and we couldn't find anything that we really liked for our front porch. We wanted it to be easy to read from the road, have simple structure with clean, modern lines. I designed this mailbox and Brad was able to make it happen, and we couldn't be happier. We hung our vintage window on the wall to give it a little balance, and instead of a wreath this year, I painted these hydrangeas I got from my sister-in-law and put them in a basket that we picked up at Hobby Lobby for $10. I love the way that it gives some depth and an old-fashioned feel to the front porch. I wanted to add one more thing to this side of the front porch, and I picked up this plant stand from the home store and added these petunias that pulls the whole porch together.